Renewable Energy India Expo 2024 is around the corner and we can't wait. Axis is coming back to REI Expo for the 4th time. Our engineers are ready with customized lightning protection designs, AC and DC SPDs, bimetallic lugs, air terminals, earth pits, and so many other UL and IEC tested products specifically made for your solar project requirements. You can meet our engineers to discuss your lightning protection and earthing system requirements for your next solar or wind project, just as some of the biggest names in the industry such as Waaree, Adani Solar, Tata Solar, Mahindra Susten, and so many other customers of ours. Our engineers will show you how our products and our NABL and UL listed laboratory will protect the long-term viability of your projects. So come down to REI and let's sit down over a cup of chai and figure out how Axis can help secure your next big project. So mark your calendars and join us from 3rd to 5th of October at the India Expo Centre in Noida. Make sure you stop by our stall R1253. See you there.